The two bird them is shot. Oh. Yeah man. See two bird them is shot. Yeah man, I shot them before I go our coffee place, just heat break. So let me say please subscribe, share the video. Yeah man. So I go our coffee, sitting there, you see it. Yeah man. Big off all. You big not there? I jack this man. You like yeah, that right? Big I like this man. It's a look at this, I like a one have 1 pound night. So,
I thought you know like Gary. Okay, go on.
6 puppies in a batch. Mommy gone out. So people, yeah man, subscribe to the channel, see me subscribe. Yeah man, I'm gonna shot some bird now in the evening about 10 o'clock now, yeah man. About 10 o'clock now, yeah man. This have been here, yeah man. So subscribe to the channel, yeah man, me out here. You see me shot 2 bird already. Like how you see, I shot 2 bird, come there in my yard. Yeah man, I kill some fowl, I'll show you a video of me I kill the fowl. Yeah man. So that means I say please subscribe. I go up in the hills again. About 10 o'clock. I first I go in at 10 o'clock. So subscribe to the channel. I shot and bird up there so. Yeah man. Phone up blurry. Yeah man. Somebody tell you say phone not too good. Yeah man. Subscribe to the channel. Shot on live post bird. What the name? Andy. Oh, see him there. My breed hard. See him there. So subscribe to the channel. Or finish him. I see it. Before you get up and fly. You know, then stay. Yeah man. Subscribe. See him there. Yes people, I shot one more. Yeah man. What is it again? Don't remember my bird name again. See ya, I don't remember her name. I tell them, see. But I'm alone, I shot. Ah, I seen it one day. Seen it one day, people. See him there? Now, go after him, I see it so. In his car can see me. I'm that. Now, to see people, place dark. I see it before not too good. Subscribe to the channel, I see it. Yes, people. They want. Hear that. Count how much bird nice here. Today. Bird up in the tree, apple tree, this, I see it. Bird up in there, see it. Like when I say, phone not good. Like so, see, there's one woodpecker there. See me pick out the tree. Up there, so I pick out the tree, you see it? Right up there, so I pick out the tree. Yeah, man. See me right there, so I see when you're flying now. So, try it off, right? I see it, so. Boy, see me fly there. Oh my God. Land, let me see. Gone up now, 4 tree there, and start take me here. People like me, I say, please subscribe to the channel. I want the ball, I not see why, so I not see no white wing. You see it? No ball plate. You see it, ball plate and white thing, all see why, so. Nah, to see them. They say pretty so. Anybody see me a shot still, you see it. So I see ground dove, shot and ground dove on the tail. You want to catch a little berry, but me I show you it. Like I said, please subscribe to the channel, subscribe straight, you see it. Watch out people, please subscribe to the channel, you see it. Watch out, shot on woodpecker. Yeah man, look, woodpecker. Another bird. Bumby, see body man people. You see people, 2 birds in 5 minutes, you see it. Woodpecker, one big woodpecker this not you know. Big man. Yeah man, a good size woodpecker. Like I say, please subscribe, share the video. Yeah man, I say bunnies come down. Yes people. Yeah man, you know something they have now man, I'm say, oh, you know some shot and ground dove. So thanks. I just something the same place where me I come from. I see it. Right that's so. I share the destination where ground dove there. When we shot, there's coil. Yeah, man. You look like a whole head gone, you see it, people. Yeah, man. No, when I shot him, I move on his spot. None at all. No move on his spot when I shot him, man. See, right as I'm shot him, move on his spot. What I say? Head shot, head bust out, clean. Yeah, man. Ball out in here, you see it, people. Yeah, man, good run there. People, people, you know, something, what's in the name? White belly people, some white belly, you know, man. When I walk, I'm see, I'm see, I'm say, bumpy people. I look pretty on two people. People look pretty afraid. So like I say, people, please subscribe, share the video, man. You know what, yeah. If you want more than video, just comment and say yes. One more video. You see it? Yeah, man. Subscribe. Yes, people, look over this. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. So we have to go on different road. Yeah, man. So people, you want shot on chicken hawk. Yeah, man. I see badness come down. I almost shot him. I didn't want him still, but chicken hawk are good bird feed still. You see it? Nah, take no lie. And a good bird feed. You need rat. One bag of something rat. We can run now. White wing, you see it? We can run down white wing, ball plate, and them, you see it? Them name seed. Seed. Natural seed, you see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Chicken hawk name lizard, rat. Tail up a rotten something they eat, you see it? Something a rotten. Animal rotten, they name. You see it? So, please subscribe, you see, bonus. So, I'm sure that part. See people see river down there, so. Show the deepest part. Alright, so. Wow, like a shallow people. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I just remember my daddy day forward. Yeah, man. People say fish in here, so, but I don't see no fish. Come there, I can show a fish line in here. Then you stay in there, though. I don't tell no lie, then you stay in there. And people just shit in the water, you see it. So, then you can't hungry people just shit in the water. Shit in the box of the water, you see it. Nasty people. Shit in the water and fish in the shit and one bag of things. And big crawfish shows in there, so you see big swims. Big water swims. But the people in just come and just take trash the place, you see it. Take trash the place. Yeah, man. We take trash, you know, but we not take trash or them take trash. We left some. Like, see, this is top stream. We go way like bottom stream and sitting there, see it. Like we start the river like a buck, yeah, man. Go down there so and take trash, you see it. And if up here so like more crawfish up here so. And then watch go way back down over the thick swash, you see it? Yeah, man. But we tap rose, you see it, so at night time we come out and can catch crawfish, you see it? But crawfish now just too hard again. You see it? Sometimes like the river come and just wash away it. Wash away all the crawfish them. Cause to a different river we never to know. Can't go to beach or one bag of things, you see it? Yeah, man. See people don't cut board over there so same thing as that boy. See there? Cut board over there so. You want some breadfruit, no jackfruit tree. Jackfruit, no breadfruit tree. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, apple tree, same way. Me used to couldn't hard no. But there's some family in live, you see it. No bother, man. So when I reach home, I want to take a near shark up, you know, and to make people know about business. Yeah, man, some room, like people know about business, you see it. People over here, hawk signs, and over upon here, you see it. I just saw his culture and some people not gonna like you, and some gonna like you, you see it. That's how you really fuck up. Yeah, man. Subscribe to the channel. People out there wild bird them, you see people. A nine bird, ground dove, what is that? Jackie Chang, I don't know the name. And two of them little bird, yeah. You see, see one, three little bird, one woodpecker. Yeah, man, one woodpecker. Yeah, man. What is? One have in there, one yellow, see that? See that? See people. Um, three, three of them bird, yeah. Yeah, man. So, yeah, and some mushroom thing, you see it, so I'm gonna move them, clean them up, one bag of things, you see it, so, that.